It was the end of 2023. You made some progress, sure, but not enough. So much pressure, so many tasks left undone. The new year was knocking on the door, and your stress levels were off the charts. Then you made a promise to yourself to crush every single goal you wrote down in your diary for the new year. And now here you are again. Same fate. Another wasted year. Sound familiar? Well, not anymore. Because today we're going to dive deep into this cycle of failure, find the root cause, and cut it out for good. Why do you keep failing to achieve your goals? Is it lack of motivation, dedication, or discipline? Or maybe you think the perfect conditions aren't there. Or brace yourself, you don't actually love your goals. Sure, all of these are possibilities, but let's not use them as excuses. Instead, let's answer the bigger question. What is a goal? Google defines it as having purpose in business and life, or creating a measurable path to your ideal future. Interesting, right? To set a goal, you first need to imagine what you want to achieve. Many people confuse their destination with their goal. Your destination is the end point, but your goal is the path to get there. For example, my destination is to grow this channel by the end of the year. That's my goal. And while we're on the subject, hit that subscribe button because I'll be sharing more improvement videos. Anyway, back to goals. 1. Clarify your end destination. 2. Decide how much time you'll dedicate to reaching it. 3. Focus on a few meaningful goals. Too many will leave you overwhelmed. Now that you know your destination, let's map out the path. 1. Dedicate enough time to cover the journey. 2. Assess your current situation. Be realistic. Don't set goals that ignore where you're starting from. 3. Identify obstacles. This could be distractions, bad habits like porn or alcohol, or even unhelpful people in your life. Remember, we're already running late. Let's not let anything slow us down further. You've got your path, but without consistency, you're not getting anywhere. Ever notice how some people start strong but give up halfway? Don't be that person. You're on a mission. Quitting halfway means someone else will claim your dream. And you'll regret it forever. So, write down your goals, tackle them one by one, and don't stop until you've built momentum. Each small win will keep you motivated to finish the race. Bad habits are like poking holes in a bucket you're trying to fill with water. You'll work twice as hard just to stay in the same place. Habits like procrastination, negative self-talk, and yes, even addiction eat away at your progress. So, identify them and eliminate them. Need help breaking bad habits? Drop a comment. I'll make a video for you. Most people don't fail because they tried and failed. They fail because they never start. If you're still watching this, it means you want change. So here's the truth. Watching this video won't change your life. Only action will. When this video ends, go make a plan. Buy a notebook. Write down your daily goals and check them off once completed. Each checkmark gives you a confidence boost. Over time, you'll get addicted to the thrill of success. And trust me, it's a way better addiction than any bad habit out there. That's it for today. This channel is for the men and women who want to take charge of their lives and create meaningful change. If that's you, hit subscribe and let's build a community of action takers together.